Hi, I'm Dr. George Love from the Blue Dragon Medical Qigong Academy, and I'm coming to New York for you. I'm going to be speaking at 4 different places in New York, and you've got to find the one in Harlem, in Brooklyn, in Midtown, and Mount Vernon. You're going to learn 5 specific things. You're going to learn how Qigong is going to transform your health. You're going to learn how to massage your ears to health. You're going to learn how to breathe your way to more energy. You're going to learn how to dance your way to Qi Fit. You're going to learn the 3 causes of disease and how they wreak havoc on the 4 layers of the bio bodysuit. And you're going to learn how to reverse the disease process by stimulating your self-repair mechanism. Don't miss it. I'm going to be in New York. Get online, sign up, register for the Blue Dragon Medical Qigong Self-Repair Program.